Hi, Happy New Year and welcome back to another Artistic Vegan show. This is Christa with artisticvegan.com and today I have a delicious recipe for you. I give it a 5 stars out of 5. It is a Greek salad for the gods. It has a delicious Greek salad base, the goddess dressing inspired from Trader Joe's to give you a delicious, fantastic treat. Your taste buds will just go wild and it tastes really good, fresh, and also after it's marinated in the fridge for a while, the next day it's just as delicious. This is a really fantastic recipe for the new year. It's light and healthy. You can pop it in your lunch, take it with you, or just enjoy it anytime you'd like. So to get started, you'll need a few different ingredients. For the salad, you'll want to have some tomatoes. I have some fresh garden tomatoes. Also have some cucumber, some red onion, red bell pepper, some of your favorite olives. I'm using some big green olives and then some little olives. You need limes, some vinegar. I have a little wine vinegar. This happens to be raspberry wine vinegar, but you could use any kind that you'd like. Some vegan Parmesan, I'll link a recipe to that below. Some garlic, little garlic cloves, then some fresh ginger, or you could use some dry ginger, fresh or dry oregano, some fresh or dry dill, a little soy sauce, or you could use tamari for gluten-free, then some flax meal, and some sesame seeds and tahini. So that's everything that you're going to need for this recipe. And I'll show you how to make it. It's super easy. You just combine everything together and eat. Let's go ahead and make our sauce first and get this stuff off the table. So I have 1 tablespoon of tahini already in here, and I'm going to add another tablespoon of that. To that I have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You could also use tamari for gluten-free. A tablespoon of flax meal. Half a teaspoon of dried dill. If you're using fresh, you'll want 1 teaspoon of that. Some fresh oregano, about a teaspoon or so of fresh oregano, or a half teaspoon of the dry. Then I have a little knob of ginger, I'd say about a 1/4 inch. Peel that and mince it up and pop that in. Add the ginger in. 2 little cloves of garlic minced, or 1 regular, about a teaspoon or so of that. A tablespoon of sesame seeds. A couple tablespoons of lime juice, freshly squeezed. You could also use lemon. And a half tablespoon of your wine vinegar. This makes a delicious salad dressing. You can use this on a number of different salads. Now that'll thicken up from the flax meal, so I'm going to set this aside. And we'll proceed with the vegetables. So normally you'd want about 3 really large tomatoes, or you could use what you consider to be large tomatoes. So I have a few tomatoes here. That's about 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to chop these tomatoes up and add it to my bowl. And you can just roughly chop these. Now if you want a juicy salad, leave the seeds in. If you want a less juicy salad, you can take the seeds out. We love a juicy salad, so I'm going to leave them in. Okay, so I'd say about 2 cups or so of fresh tomatoes chopped, and then a cucumber. I'm going to take a cucumber and roughly peel it, slice it in half, and scoop the seeds out. Half of a red onion peeled and chopped. I also have a red bell pepper. I'm going to add that in. In addition, you'll want 1/2 cup of olives, and you can roughly chop your olives or leave them whole, however you prefer. We have our delicious vegetables. Pour your sauce on top. And if you don't like it very saucy, you can use as little or as much of the sauce as you want. We love it, so we use it all. Okay. You'll also want to add your vegan Parmesan cheese. You could also use any other vegan cheese that you would like here. Here it is, delicious, saucy. Greek salad for the gods. Add a couple fresh herbs on top, a little more vegan parm or whatever you'd like. Much flavor, absolutely delightful. I know you're going to love this recipe. Go to artisticvegan.com to get it. I hope to see you next time. Bye. It's inspired from tradition. I'm so lucky that I happen to have some in December. And sauces, or maybe I should just start over.